this video I'm going to be working out an individual integral. We're going to take a look at the integral of x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. Probably the most straightforward approach to this would be to look at this and recognize that you've got a rational function and that you could do long division on this and come up with an equivalent expression, which is going to be a lot easier to integrate. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our x squared minus 1 and put it on the inside of the box, and we're going to go x squared plus 1 and put it on the outside. Do a little long division here. X squared goes into x squared one time, so 1 times x squared plus 1, and we're subtracting that quantity. The x squareds fall out. Minus 1 minus 1 again gives me a negative 2. Alright, writing that as an expression, starting up here with my quotient and then coming around this way. This is equal to 1 minus 2 over x squared plus 1. Alright, so this expression right here is equivalent to this rational function right there. So I can rewrite this as the integral of 1 minus 2 over x squared plus 1 dx. That then is going to allow us to break this into two separate integrals. So let's just do that there. The integral of 1 dx minus the integral of 2 over x squared plus 1 dx. This is going to integrate straightforward to being just an x. So we'll go ahead and integrate that. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the 2. So we'll have a 2 out in front, and then we'll have a 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. And then hopefully you have this memorized as being arctan. So then we'll have a final answer of x minus 2 arctan x plus c. So relatively a straightforward integral after you do that long division there to change out that rational expression into a simpler expression that makes it easier to integrate. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.